If you love wine but don't like the side effects, you may just love the Ullo wine filtration system. Now, I want to talk specifically in this video about the filters because the filters go inside this fully patented system that really does just have the wine go right through the top and then through this aerator, which you can choose to have it be an aerator or not, and through the filters. Now, the filters come in individually sealed packets, and these are fully patented filters that have a proprietary blend that is meant to almost work like a magnet, pulling all the sulfites, so those preservatives and histamines, to them and purifying the wine. And what's so cool about that is it's not only removing what causes, for most of us, any of the bad side effects, but it also can improve the aroma and the taste of the wine, as often those sulfites in particular can have a slightly bitter aftertaste that you may not want in your wine. So improve your wine while improving your experience with these filters. Another thing to really love about them is that they are third-party tested in the USA, they are FDA compliant, BPA free, all that good stuff. And how you'll use these is as simple as open one up, put it into the filtration system, and then put this on whatever container you may have on hand. Ullo makes a variety of beautiful decanters you can use as well. But if you're taking this with you, maybe you're going to a friend's house, I'm sure they have a container, a pitcher you could put this onto. And then you just put it on and pour the wine through. Easy as that. I am very impressed with Ullo. This is a small business. They're doing amazing things, especially for wine lovers. I think you'll love it as well.